Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another video in our how to start a stationery business series. Some of my products are starting to come in, so we'll start to get into some of the review and unboxing videos, and I'm super excited about the very first one. We'll be unboxing and reviewing the stickers that I ordered from Sticker. You heard it right. I ordered stickers from Sticker You. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So obviously you guys saw me upload the image, and I did order the stickers on Sticker You. We talked a lot about me normally ordering stickers from Sticker Mill, but I wanted to give Sticker You a chance just because I've seen other makers advertise and vet for them. All right, the price of the Sticker You stickers was $13.70. So I also have the other specs for you as well. I ordered this on June 1st. It shipped on June 4th, and I received it as far as it being delivered to my mailbox on June 11th. That was not too long in my opinion. It did come from Canada because Sticker You is based in, I believe, Toronto. Yeah, Ontario. It came in this white package. It has a stickeryou.com thing here at the top. It's just a white bubble mailer, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. I did the TikTok hack where I did two of the stickers on one, like in one order. I only ordered two. I thought I ordered more than that. I know, I only ordered two. So here is the sticker. The sticker meal hack is, let me come closer, is that you would take the sticker and you would just cut it right in between to make it like two stickers. I'll probably clean this curve up. I probably need a smaller scissors, but okay, I cleaned that one up, and let's clean this one up. I cut the stickers, and now we have two stickers. This one in red, and then this one in black. I guess that's a pretty good hack. It went from this to two separate stickers, right? So far, the quality to me, what I see is really good. I'll take one of the red ones off, cause, oh, let me tell y'all about TikTok. So this is a slice, and what it does is like it cuts the backing of the sticker. It's easier for people to open up the stickers. It has that little slice right there on the back, so it'll be easier for me to peel the sticker off, which I'm having a hard time. I didn't want to go too deep on it. All right, so I'm about to peel the sticker off and peel the sticker off. Where is that? I've been putting stickers on. So here's my journal I've been putting stickers on. I'm just gonna add this one right here to the back. And yeah, the quality is really good, because this is a sticker, I think this is a Sticker Mill sticker, and then this is the one I just got from Sticker You. Yeah, it's pretty good quality. I also wanted to let you guys know, as products come in, I'll start to put them on my Etsy shop. Anything that I have more than two of, some of the sticky notepads or maybe the desk notepad, some things will be in smaller quantities. Maybe I'll be able to put a shirt or two up there as well, or journals or things like that. As items start to come in and I start to form an actual store with my stationery items, I will go ahead and put it in my shop for you guys to buy that print that I've been creating through the stationery business series. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. Keep commenting on the videos. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of Sticker You and my review. I love the stickers. I'll definitely use them again in the future. And until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.